Hey fellow network marketer, this is William Metsipila here. Now in today's episode, let's do something fascinating. A few weeks back, I found an interview that we did with Mr. Frazer Brookes 3 years ago in an event when we shared a stage in an event in Finland. There in the backstage, we got to know each other, and on top of that, we made an interview of 10 minutes where Frazer shared his keys to success, what allowed him to, back in the time when he was building network marketing, what allowed him to build such a magnificent success in a short period of time. You will hear the results from the interview, and then So I just thought it's super cool to share this interview with you guys, because I know a lot of the people who are following me also know very well Frazer, knows his content. And what is fascinating about this video is that, you know, when this video was shot, I think Frazer had 10,000 Instagram following, and now as we speak, he's 50,000 followers. He's touring around the world, and he's the super Starfleet commander. So I thought it will be of value, and it will be fun for all of us to check a few years back when he was kind of starting out. Oh yeah, he was already then great success, but compared to today's where he's at today, he was just a beginner. Okay, but hey, with this introduction, let's just jump in and check the interview. Hello everybody, here we have Mr. Frazer Brookes. Frazer, a little bit background in case you don't know who this person here is. Frazer is actually now 30 years of age. He started a network marketing business at the age of 22, and actually built an organization of 300,000 customers in just 5 short years. Mm-hmm. And I have the honor now here in the Lahti event Backstage to have a little interview with you, get to know this guy. So, Frazer, what are the key components to build such a huge, massive success in so short time?
Well, regardless what business you're in, regardless what company you're in, regardless what industry you're in, it's important that there's 3 things that take us and turn us into the people we are now in order to succeed. The relationships that we build, the events that we attend, and the mentors that we have. Right? So I understood that. I thought, right, okay, so I've got to build new relationships with people. So I continued every single day, relationships. Right? I built a network, and there's a saying: your network is your net worth. You know. The second thing was events. So I was just going to event after event after event, not just my company events, not just my team events, but generic events, outside speaking events. I was going to book signings just to basically meet everyone and hear these different nuggets. And the third thing was mentors. So I got a kind of like a team of mentors who were like, right, he's really good at objection handling, she's really good at mindset, he's really good at leadership, and I just basically learned from the best of the best, and I became the person I needed to become in order to have success in network marketing. And my method was just through social media, because I loved like doing this behind the computer screen, and then traveling from all over the world to now nearly 50 countries to just build my business. So that was kind of like, that's, in my opinion, those 3 things are things that everyone can do, everyone can focus on, and everyone needs to do in order to have massive success in their business. So, yeah.
3 very important things. How about we were just talking that you weren't because now it's for everybody watching this, it's like, well, easy for you because you're such a person like this. And we were actually talking with Frazer earlier on that you were really introvert.
Massively.
Tell us a little bit how you came over that problem.
It was the fear of missing out.
Yeah.
So it was never called FOMO back then, but now it is fear of missing out. My parents, they had massive success in network marketing, and I noticed that if I wasn't going to succeed, I wouldn't be living a life that they're living. So I knew it wasn't a scam, I knew it wasn't a pyramid scheme, I knew it was like a legitimate business. You just have to go to work. And I learned a very long time ago that network marketing works 100% of the time for 100% of people who give it the time. You just got to give it the time, and you've got to be consistent all the time, and you've got to be committed to what you're doing, because commitment just eliminates all fear. So I just decided that I was just gonna get to work, and as I kept doing that, I was progressing, and I was more comfortable who I was. And then probably about 5 years ago, it was probably about 2014, there or thereabouts, I made the decision that, you know what, I'm just going to be 100% myself. I don't care. If people don't like who I am, if people think I'm a bit weird, if people think I'm a bit crazy, then so be it. I really don't care. Because if people like me, they'll end up loving me. If people don't like me, they'll hate me. The haters will either block you or tell you they don't like you, but the majority of the time it's just block. But the people who love you will pour on you every single day. Like, you're awesome, you've changed my life, thanks so much. And I don't do it for those comments, but that's just part of what happens. And now there's the movie The Greatest Showman, which has been one of like the biggest successes of 2018, I think it was. And it's all about being yourself. The big song in that is This Is Me. Which I'll play in it a little bit when I'm doing my bit. Okay. Because it's important. I literally, if you're watching this, I dare you, and I dare you to just be 100% yourself. If you have to fake the person you think you need to be to have success, you will fail. Because after about a year or two, maybe 3 years, it'll be so draining that you'll be like, I just can't do this anymore. So be yourself, and that's the most important. And whether you're an introvert or extrovert, everyone's going crazy. They're all cheering. Like, it's like dinner time, right? Whether you're introverted or extroverted, it doesn't matter, because there's people out there like you who will appreciate you for being yourself and being honest. So,
Thank you. One more question.
Yeah, for sure. Let's do it.
Super. So, for then all the people, and that's a very valid point, because I used to be a very introverted person, and so I can share that background with you. But about online, building online, because now I know many of us are thinking that how we should do that and so on. So what would you say are the like 2 or 3 major things you should start to focusing on if you want to go to build online?
So first of all, it's important to understand that network marketing, especially social media, is only a part of the process. It's like online dating. You know, it's like dating now. You still got to go on a first date, second date, third date. You know, like ask them to be your girlfriend and all that sort of stuff. Like you have to do that in order to, you know. So social media is only a part of the process. So if you're gonna go all in on social media, expect that it probably won't work out for you. You have to go all in on your company and the mission, and then use social media as part of it. But I think the 2 things that you need to focus on is, number 1, you need to be consistent with your posting. Every single day, it's in my diary. It's actually in my diary. Like, what do I have to do? It's 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. depending on the day. I've got to post something. I can't post one thing a day. I don't know what to talk about. A quote. Like, go to events, read books, find quotes, go on Google, find quotes. Live videos are the absolute thing, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Live videos are everything. If you want to master becoming a personality and a brand and have influence, you have to do live video. Recorded video is a great way to start, but live video, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to broadcast your personality so that people are like, you know, I mean, on Tuesday just gone, I had 750 people on a live. All I did was I just set my phone up, and I was actually a camera, but I pressed go live, 750 people hearing my message, whatever I want to share. Obviously that's taken some time, but consistently create content regardless of the feedback, regardless of people like, you're an idiot, you look weird, your glasses are really stupid, your hair needs cutting, like all that sort of stuff, right? And the second one is authenticity. Like, build authentic relationships with people. Spend the majority of your time speaking to people in the messenger, because when you give love, you'll get love back. If we think about our parents, I love my parents, right? I'm fortunate enough to have both my parents, and you know that they've loved me a lot. But the reason why I love them so much is because they've loved me first. I wouldn't love them otherwise. Like, it's kind of it's just as simple as that, really. So yeah, consistently post content every single day and be authentic in yourself and build authentic relationships. If you think, oh, that person would be amazing in my business, but you don't like them, then don't waste your time trying to, because you're the one who's got the cookies. You're the one interviewing other people. It's your choice whether you want someone to join your business or not theirs, really. You want them to join your business, it just takes time. If you don't want them to build your business, then yeah, simple as really. So yeah, those are the 2 things that you definitely can do.
Yeah. Super.
Well, let me ask you a question.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So like, in the next like 5-10 years, what's your mission? Like, what do you want to do more than anything? It's funny. I've grown it in the last years, because I started in network marketing only that I wanted to gain like
like success, money, and Ferraris, and all of this.
It starts that way with a lot of people, right?
Yeah, funny.
Yeah, it does.
20 years and 20
Yeah,
years
it's
of
crazy.
age, and you're
Yeah, for
very
sure.
naive and all that. But I've come to that I want to in the near future, like 10 years from now, being in because now I've met thousands of people and thousands of entrepreneurs during this career, and I've like 99% of the people are in a situation where they don't have enough money or they don't have enough time, and that's a very crappy thing.
Yeah, for sure.
And just going out there and through actually multiple levels, which one of those is network marketing, is to inspire hundreds of thousands of people to get more out of their potential and to actually give them, like there are many of motivational speakers who are giving people motivation, but they don't actually give the tools how to change the life.
Yeah.
So
It's very,
to
very
be
common.
able to also give the actual tool that, hey, grab my hand, let's go do it.
The wow and the how.
Yeah,
Right,
yeah.
not just the wow.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And it will also give me certain kind of status, and I will
Yeah, for
eventually
sure.
get the Ferrari.
But what you do, so you're well developed in this industry, right? So another like bonus tip on here is when the mission matters more than the commission, crazy things will happen. When you start commission focused, but you go on a journey to a mission, and when you get the mission, you can help people realize their mission, which earns them a commission. It's kind of a weird cycle of how it works, but I appreciate you having me on, man.
Yeah. Super, thanks.
Yeah,
Thanks.
change some lives.
Yeah.
Right. See you soon, guys.
He will be soon in the States.
Yeah.
Super.
Hey my friend, and thank you so much for watching the interview. Hope you did get some help of it. Hope it was exciting to watch it for you. And yeah, I just wanted to come here quickly to wrap this thing up. So in case this is the first video you see in my channel, so my name is Viljami Metsikylä, and my mission with this channel is to help you fellow network marketer to break free by helping you to become full-timer in this business. And this is all the content in this channel is focused to help you do so. And then on top of this channel, I do have some programs, coaching programs on top of that, which the most famous one is called the Recruiting Masterclass. So in case you want to learn a super effective 60-second presentation formula that allows you to close up to 20% of your contacts, that's a formula that I've used for a long time already, and I've sponsored over hundreds of people around the globe with these 60-second presentations. So if you want to learn the framework, how to build these super effective presentations, you can go to www.masterrecruiter.info, and from there you can get your free training, which teaches you the framework, how to build these presentations. So either way, you can subscribe to the channel so you will be notified for the further videos, or if you want, you can go, or you can do both. You can also go to the Master Recruiter, grab your free training, and maybe join our Master Recruiters community. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and speak to you soon.